I've been using the Recteq Backyard Beast 1200 for a bit now, and here's the honest take. Right out the gate, this thing feels premium. Heavy-duty 304 stainless steel, solid as a tank, and it just screams built to last. The cooking space is massive too, 200 square inches, so you're easily feeding a crowd without juggling batches. Performance-wise, the PID controller keeps temps super tight, and the Wi-Fi control actually works smoothly, which is huge for overnight smoking. And I'll say it, hitting up to 700 GNA on a pellet grill is impressive. You can actually sear steaks without switching rigs. Now, the downsides. There's no quick pellet dump, so changing flavors is a bit of a hassle. And the smoke flavor is a little lighter than an offset smoker, if that's what you're chasing. At about 1,199 from places like Ace Hardware, it's not cheap, but honestly, for the build and performance, it feels justified. Bottom line, if you want a set it and forget it powerhouse, this one delivers.